Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for AI and data science. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. If you are confused between Claude Code, Cursor and GitHub Copilot, you are not alone. These three tools look similar on the surface, but they are not. Each one has different strengths, different use cases, and a different learning curve. In this video, I will break them down in detail. By the end, you will know exactly which one is the best starting point for you. Okay, let's make this simple. What exactly are these tools? GitHub Copilot started as an autocomplete tool, but now it's much more. With Copilot Edits and Copilot Workspace available in VS Code and GitHub's browser editor, it can read, modify, and refactor code files directly. You can give it natural commands like refactor this function or optimize this logic, and it applies those changes. These edit and agent features are still evolving, but they already allow real code modifications inside supported IDEs. Cursor is a full coding IDE designed from the ground up to integrate AI deeply. It's like VS Code but with AI first features. Claude Code is different. It's not a full IDE. It's a conversational agent based coding partner. Think of it as a chat interface specialized for reasoning and refactoring. So, Copilot is an in-ID AI assistant with editing support in VS Code. Cursor is an AI-powered IDE, and Claude Code is a coding chat agent. Each tool is good at something. So, let's look at where they really shine. So, Copilot is now more than just autocomplete. In VS Code and Visual Studio, it supports in-ID edits and refactors through Copilot edits. You can generate tests, clean functions, or rewrite code directly. It's great for fast workflows inside supported editors. Cursor is built for exploration and iteration. You can highlight code, ask for changes, refactor entire files, and navigate your project with prompts. It's better when you are still shaping your code, not just typing fast. Claude is strong in reasoning. It handles big chunks of code at once, explains what's happening, and can redesign logic. It's the best if you want clear explanations, safe refactoring, or structured prompts. Pricing also changes the story. GitHub Copilot now has a free plan for VS Code users. You get about 2000 code completions and 50 chat or edit requests per month, enough for light or experimental work. These limits include Copilot edits and agent actions. After that, you can upgrade to Copilot Pro for $10 per month for unlimited completions and full agent access. Cursor offers a free hobby plan with monthly limits, about 2000 code completions and 50 premium model requests before needing to go pro. The pro plan $20 per month unlocks higher limits, faster responses, and full ID AI features such as advanced refactoring and context memory. Claude Code comes with Claude Pro or Claude Max plans, around $20 per month. You access it from the Claude web app or terminal agent mode. If your budget is tight or you are just starting, try Copilot's free VS Code plan first. It's enough to understand how AI coding feels. If you are coding regularly, Cursor's Pro plan gives more control inside one IDE. And if you want reasoning and large scale refactoring, Claude Code with Claude Pro is the next step. They all help in different ways, so let's figure out which one suits your level. If you are a beginner, start with Copilot. It's light, simple, and capable. You can learn structure, test edits, and improve code inside VS Code. Just remember, always double check its suggestions. If you are an intermediate developer, Cursor is perfect. It helps you experiment, debug, and manage entire files. You will grow faster because you can ask why and how directly inside your project. If you are an advanced developer, Claude Code shines here. It's best when you can provide context and ask for higher level reasoning. It's like having a senior engineer explain architecture. That's why people get confused. The best tool depends on where you are in your coding journey. Alright, now let's talk about where they fall short. Because let's be honest, none of them are perfect. So when it comes to Copilot, even though it now edits files and run in agent mode in VS Code and Visual Studio, Its reasoning depth is still limited. It can miss larger architectural patterns or produce incomplete edits. Cursor can feel heavy, it's still evolving, so some integrations break or feel buggy. Claude Code is agentic. It acts via commands, not by letting you freely edit files like in an IDE. It's slower for fast typing tasks but more thoughtful for full project reasoning. Knowing these gaps will help you set the right expectations. So, which one should you actually start with? Here is the straight answer. If you just want to type faster, edit smarter, and reduce boilerplate, start with GitHub Copilot. Its free VS Code plan includes limited agent and edit mode access, enough to see how modern AI powered coding works. If you want an AI first coding environment and you are ready to change your workflow, start with Cursor. If you care more about deep understanding, structured refactoring, and safe reasoning, start with Claude Code. But here is my unique insight. The best learning path is not to pick only one. Start with Copilot to get comfortable, move to Cursor once you want more control, and use Claude Code alongside for deep dives. This layered approach reduces overwhelm and matches your growth curve as a developer. The worst mistake you can make is jumping between all three without direction. Pick one, master it, and then expand. Remember, these tools don't replace your skills, they multiply them. So don't ask which tool is the best. Ask which tool is the best for me right now in my journey. That's how you will grow without confusion. If this video cleared up your confusion, let me know in the comments which tool you are starting with. I will create more deep dives into Cursor, Claude Code, and Copilot. So subscribe if you don't want to miss them.